Number 70, determine whether aqueous solutions of the following salts are acidic, basic, or neutral. And then we have this salt right here, potassium perchlorate. Now just know that all salts, right, they're ionic compounds, and generally you will have a metal with nonmetals, right? That's what an ionic compound is. And in this case, we have potassium with the polyatomic hypochlorite. Actually, no, this is ClO4, so perchlorate. So let's just split them into its two ions. The break is right between the metal and then the polyatomic. So in this case, it would be K plus and ClO4 minus. Now the next part to figure out this answer is to just know that we're always going to be dealing with aqueous solutions, which means that water is going to be involved. And water, just remember that it has one hydronium, so H, and then one hydroxide, which is OH. The acidic H is going to want to hook up with the negative. So just know that the H always goes with the one in the back, the negative charge. And the OH, since that's negative, opposites attract, it goes to the positive charge. So I'm just going to write down what that's going to make. So this would turn into K and then OH. And then the back one would be HClO4. These are the compounds that we're going to be looking and discussing to figure out whether our salts are acidic, basic, or neutral. So the first thing I'm going to say is, okay, KOH. Is KOH one of my 6 strong acids or 6 strong bases? And it turns out that it makes the list. KOH, potassium hydroxide, is one of my 6 strong bases. So I'm going to say SB. So I'm over here. Anytime that you have a strong base, and maybe I'll just make this a different color. Anytime that you have a strong base, the conjugate is going to be so weak that basically it's easier to classify it just as neutral. So since KOH is the strong base, the conjugate of where we're at is so weak that it's best to just say that this is neutral. And since it's neutral, it has no bearing on acidity nor basicity, so I could basically cancel it out. Let's do the same thing for HClO4. Is HClO4 one of my 6 strong acids? Yeah, here it is, HClO4. So I'm going to say SA. And just like strong bases, strong acids, their conjugates are so weak that it's basically easier to just say that they're neutral. So HClO4 is a strong acid. The conjugate that we have, ClO4 minus, would be so weak that it's neutral. And we could basically cancel that out. So now, neutral, coming together with neutral would be, no trick question here, it would be neutral. And there you go. I really hope this helped. Let me know in the comments, subscribe to the channel if you want to help us out. Thank you so much for that. And I hope to be seeing you all in later lessons. Have an awesome day. Okay, bye-bye.